Hey Crea'Madonas, welcome back to the channel. So I have another basket video that I wanted to show you guys. Even though it's after Valentine's Day, this is another basket. So I'm starting out with this 25-cent basket I got on sale from Dollar General. Whoop whoop. And then I went ahead and put some Valentine's paper in it inside out so that the print shows on the outside. This foam I found from some package I ordered, and they had it inside of the package. So I just used that, balled it up, and made me some cushion. Threw some white paper over it and then some red paper shred. So I'm starting out with this Queen Anne, and those are cordials. They're supposed to be like coconut flavored. And then that's going to be, my first little building piece for the whole basket here. This is going to be a snack basket. This is for an older lady. And so these are all the things that she likes. So I went ahead and put these in. And of course, I use my skewers just like I do for everything. Basically to place the things that, I want to have some dimension. That's one thing that I like to do is add dimension. So I like stuff to be shorter, stuff to be taller. You'll notice that with my baskets, I don't want everything at one level. I always try to build it up to make it look bigger and fuller. And so that's why I use the skewers. I went ahead and taped the snacks to the skewers, and some of them were higher, some of them were lower. And then here you'll see I have doubles, so I just put them together, and it'll just add some bolts for the side. But she won't see them from the front, but she'll know later that she has 2 packs. So this is cute little easy snack gift basket. I get these orders a lot from older people. My grandma is the biggest supporter of these baskets, so I just wanted to show you guys. This could be for any occasion, but I did use this for Valentine's. Like I said, I paid not a dollar, I'm sorry, I paid a quarter for that basket, and probably about maybe $10 worth of snacks in here, and this basket did go for $50. So just showing you guys, a way to put together some snack baskets. And this is basically it. The way that I wrap everything is the same way. I just didn't add extra paper shred. I just added it at the bottom of the basket, and that was pretty much it. I definitely used a pull bow that I ordered from eBay for this basket, and just did some regular curling ribbon at the bottom, curled them up, then I trimmed them up, and it came out really, really cute. She really loved this basket. And yeah, this is just an idea, just showing you guys how I structure and put them together. And then I just shrink wrap the bottom only for this. Sometimes I do that if I want the paper to be fitted to the basket. I'll just shrink wrap just the bottom part and let the top stay like you would do the cellophane, and it still looks really, really good. So I just want to show you guys this. And once again, if everybody watches, hope everybody watches, thank you guys for 100 subscribers. Oh my gosh. But yeah, this is it for this basket. Sorry I didn't take a picture outside. This is what it is. This is what we got. So thank you all for watching. Until next time, see you later. Okay, bye.